Hi there, my name is Andrew Albert, Sales Consultant with NetSuite. Welcome to NetSuite SuiteSuccess pre-recorded demonstrations for manufacturing. In this video, I assume the role of a sales representative and focus on the customer dashboard. You'll notice that with NetSuite, we have an embedded CRM within the ERP, providing seamless connectivity across inventory, production, and sales activities. We have pre-built customer-focused KPIs and reporting while providing a single source of truth for all information related to a specific customer. All right, let's go ahead and hop into the system. I'm now logged into NetSuite as a sales representative. Notice my role-based dashboard. Everything you see here is provided out of the box with SuiteSuccess. NetSuite puts a lot of focus on boosting productivity of your users, and we do this through the dashboard, where we aim to have a majority of what your users do on a daily basis initiated directly from here. This time, let's say I receive a phone call from Samantha, and I'm pretty sure she works for one of my customers. Not to brag, but I have a lot of customers in my territory, so it helps to be able to quickly pull up background information so that I can have an informed conversation with Samantha. In my old system, I would have to dig into reporting and customer master files just to find my customer. But with NetSuite, it's as easy and intuitive as searching Google. Right away, I'm reminded who Samantha is. She's the executive assistant over at Smith Supplies, that's right. And she's inquiring whether we received their most recent payment. Let's go ahead and take a look. The customer dashboard gives me real-time, customer-specific context in one place. Real-time information to help me pivot or negotiate intelligently while on the phone or in a customer-facing meeting. Often, I end up knowing more about their account than they do. And that's because I have a complete history of all cases, returns, orders, and outstanding balances. Ultimately, I'm a more informed sales representative, better able to build closer relationships with my customers and produce more revenue, helping the organization grow as well. To make sure I'm informed of the latest activities for Smith Supplies before helping Samantha, I can pivot and see all the recent emails sent to Smith Supplies, including automated fulfillment notifications, activities my sales folks have set up or executed recently, as well as any files associated with my customers. In this case, I can pull up the business consulting contract right from here. No longer do I need to dig through my email, my shared drive or local drive, or make a couple phone calls to see what interactions we've had with a customer. All of this context is immediately available in real time, saving me and my teams time and headaches, not to mention being able to provide better customer service with a more informed perspective. Each customer record also has a list of contacts. I can see that Samantha is on the list of contacts for this customer. That's why she appeared in my original search. Samantha's wondering if we had received the most recent payment. Taking a look here, I can see that we did, and it has been deposited. However, it looks like Smith Supplies still has an open balance. Now, they're a good customer, so I'm not too worried. Their open balances aren't delayed or overdue, so we're in good shape. Samantha is happy to have confirmed the payment was received and, more importantly, is satisfied that we have them in good hands with no confusion about their relationship with us.